Okay, so good morning. Good morning in this part of the globe. Good afternoon and good evening for different community members who joined us from different parts of the globe. We most sincerely appreciate your attention, and it is our new AMA session. My name is Sergey Gribnyak, and I'm the head of research for Waterfall.network. Together with me, here we have Alex and Yevgen. Please remind to the community who you are and what you are doing at our company, at our project.
Hello, I'm Alex Shivan. I'm team lead of developer team. So we're developing our projects since 3 years. We are happy to launch mainnet soon.
Hello, my name is Yevgen Leonchik. I represent the Waterfall research team. Now we keep on working on system design, adding auxiliary features like virtually unlimited sharding and so on. Keep in touch, and soon we present a lot of brand new scientific results. Thank you.
Yes, that sounds amazing. Thank you for the introduction. So this AMA session will be pretty short because the questions we're having so far, they're mainly related to something we already have covered in the past, and most of the responses will be references to the previous AMA sessions, and we also will ask our community managers to actually address such questions directly in the chat, because as long as it was highlighted already once or twice on other AMA sessions, we probably don't need to do like three or 4 or 5 rounds of sharing the same. So question number 1. I am interested in participating in any ICO, IDO, presale, public sale for Waterfall. Could you let me know if such events are planned before TGE listing, and if so, whether they will be on your platform or other launchpads? Also, how can I get whitelisted to take part? Thanks. So this question was highlighted in details in the previous AMA session. So I will refer to this one, and I will ask Natalia and Victoria to send the link to it. Also, we basically in the previous sessions, all the questions related to the to participation in the development and launch of the network, you can approach Richard Wang, who is in the chat, and Brad Xu, and write to investor relations at waterfall.network. Also, I highly encourage you to review the previous AMA session, which took place 2 weeks ago, and there you can find all the details regarding this question. Question number 2, where will I be able to buy your coin? Same answer. Please review the previous AMA sessions, and as all of this was highlighted in the past. UK residents can buy coin. So basically, there will be. It is also highlighted in the previous AMA session. So far, basically, we are not aware of the limitations for UK residents, but also this will be announcements released by Switzerland Association of Waterfall, and they will be doing this announcement. Also, it was also all highlighted in the previous AMA session. Will there be a reward system or referral? I don't think there will be one. Is 25th of March is an exact date of mainnet launch. Basically, on the tweet, internally we still have this date, but also as was highlighted on the previous AMA session, the launch date may be a little postponed, and it is being done per request of the association because they are going to do the round with at least one launchpad, maybe multiple, we will see, and there will be also listing procedures they need to undergo with at least one or more likely multiple exchanges. So this all will be aligned with with their plans. We are currently working to organize the AMA session, which will not only be led by technical team, which is us, but there will be different other participants. And we will announce this session in advance, and there will be also people from association, and you will be able to ask these questions for them directly. So question number 6, what CEX will you be listed? So again, we are referring to the previous AMA session. These questions also was highlighted there, and in a nutshell, we can say that there will be more announcements done by association on this topic, and they're expected to be at least one or most likely multiple. Question number 7, what to expect after mainnet? So Alex, I think this will go over to you, and then I will share some other plans.
Okay, thank you for the questions. All changes that have been developed over the courses of 3 years will be included in the main network. Also today we are announcing the next week there will be a hard fork with worker management features. This fork also will be immediately activated upon the launch of the main network. After the mainnet launch, we will improve the user interface with a one-click setup. We work on this now. We will complete the security audit, and we will work on the next task prepared by our guys from the researcher teams, like subnetwork, shards, light workers, and etc. So maybe Sergey can add more information.
So thank you, Alex. So after the mainnet, we will continue the development of the network, and soon there will be implemented the kind of update of the network on the go. There will soon be public testing of this functionality. So we among the functions will be development of the subnetworks, which is actually a parallel processing on the single shard. There also will be done more work on the sharding technique. There also will be done more work on the like second and third steps of light nodes. So the nodes for portable devices, including smartphones, and many other things which are present on our roadmap. So we're going to implement, we're going to be building, implementing, and updating the technology. We probably will be involving more people from the community for this, and right after that. So basically, this is the plan. So big portion of this will be happening after the launch of the mainnet. The question number 8, what will be the price of your coin? We are not doing any predictions on the prices and definitely not doing any promises on the increase of value or something like that. Basically the coin is used only inside of the network, and we encourage only participation if you are willing to use coin for utility purposes, such as contributing to the security of the network, such as deployment of different dApps, such as maybe providing some functionality, such as liquidity for the dApps, etc. So use coin only for utility. This is our encouragement, and yeah, that's probably the response. Question number 9. Do I need to download special programs for your project? Alex, over to you.
Okay, now we have Docker versions, and you need to install Docker and set up not following the instruction which you can read on our documentation site. Also, we are working on the on-click setup application, and you will only need to install our one application. I think it will be soon, about 2 weeks, and you can test that on-click setup application on testnet 8, and then we will set up not on mainnet using or Docker or on-click setup application, which natively working on Windows, macOS, and Linux systems.
Okay. Thank you, Alex. When do we expect the release of the one-click setup?
About 2 weeks. We need to finish it to set up, to deploy first version.
Okay.
Maybe in the next AMA sessions we will information about this and presentation our application.
Okay. Sounds good. So question number 10, what about the EO and IDO? And question number 11, what are the upcoming updates for the token? So both of these questions were referring to the previous AMA sessions. As I said, we will ask our community managers to provide more details when basically we are getting to the same question. So in a nutshell, what has been said during the last AMA session? There will be updates. There will be updates about launchpads. There will be updates about listings. Association will be releasing it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. What we have. Please feel free to ask any questions if you have them right now or in the chat. I'm reviewing currently the chat.
Hello, brothers. What's up?
Hello.
Wow, how are you doing today? It's really a nice project, bro. Keep it up, brothers.
Say it again. My apologies.
Okay, I say it's really a nice project, bro. You understand?
Okay. One second. So sorry. There was a. My apologies. I don't hear the question.
Okay, I said it's really a nice project.
Oh, thank you so much.
Your hard works is really going forward. Like I can see your hard works really on the project. You understand? That's what I mean, brothers.
Well, thank you. We most sincerely appreciate your attention to it, and we are doing our best to basically to update it and to keep it good going forward.
Okay. I just have few questions. You understand? What really
Sure.
motivates you guys about bringing out this project to the States?
So basically, so our team, actually, we can say that most of the time, what we were doing is most of the time we spent in blockchain. We were working in building the infrastructure and building infrastructure mainly in, let's say, Ethereum-inspired ecosystems. So, for example, one of the first layer 2s for Ethereum based on Plasma was built by our team, and in particular, to our best knowledge, our GitHub repository with working prototype of Plasma Cache was actually first at that time on GitHub with working prototype. But we kind of, after doing some tests, and we were doing like multiple applications utilizing this technology, we realized that there are certain limitations to this approach, and it kind of didn't make us as excited as we were thinking it should be, and we decided to continue the research on the direction of the scalability, and let's say when basically scalability, security, and further pushing boundaries of decentralization of the existing basically of the existing technologies, and essentially, yeah.
Okay, that's really nice. So
Thank you.
Just want to know, how long is your project, if I may ask?
So we started development a little more than 3 years ago. So basically, probably maybe like in 1 or 2 months, we will be celebrating exactly 3 years since we started writing the code. And there was also done research prior to that. So we can say that it's more than 3 years, probably closer to 4 years since we started our work in this direction.
Wow, that's great. So are you really the owner of the project, or you are in team creating this amazing project?
Sorry, say it again. I didn't hear the beginning of the question.
Okay, no problem. I said, are you guys in group of the owner of the project, or you understand? Are you really the owner of the project, or you are in team? That's what I mean.
Yeah, we are basically. Yeah, we are.
Wait.
I mean, if you are asking about the social channels, yeah, we are there, and you can actually reach out to us there as well.
Okay, that's not really my question. Are you the owner of the project, or you are in team?
Basically, the project so let me put it this way: the project is not owned by one entity or one person. So there are different stakeholders to this. So we work on the side of the for-profit entity, which is developed.
Okay, that's nice. So I just want to know if you guys will come over to my channel, the Infinity Calls, to like have some AMAs with me, like explain more about your project, and so you understand. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, that would be great. We will be glad to join your channel, and yeah, basically
Yeah. This is my channel over here. This is my channel, so we can just
please,
have like AMA, so you can my army. I'm going to tell my army to hold your tokens and all that. You understand? Though it's really going to be amazing.
Yeah.
You understand? My channel, we just come to the space to help like upcoming projects and to guide investors. You understand? To know their place as in the right to project to invest on. You know, the crypto space now is full up of scams and all that. So that's why we came as a team as to bring out the infinity calls. You understand? So That's how we want to do it. You understand? We don't charge much like other channels, and there's no fucking bots on our channel. You understand? And all that. So, what do you think about that, brothers?
Well, this is a great idea, and it will be our pleasure to join your channel and do the AMA there. Please send over the details, and yeah, we're happy to explore.
Okay. I'm gonna send you the details. Okay, I'm gonna send you a DM. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me do that right now. My second handler is Brian. I'm gonna do that. Okay. I'll still have some few questions to ask you once I'm done DMing you. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna come back. Yeah. Okay. Have a blessed day.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the questions. And yeah, we're glad you have them. Maybe somebody else is willing also to ask any questions to us. You can also ask them. You can ask them. Basically, you can ask them verbally, or you can also write them in the chat.
Okay. I just sent you a DM right now. It's Brian. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have seen it.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, Brian.
So, yeah, you're welcome. So, where do your projects came out from? Like the country, like your project generated from?
So basically, we are a distributed team. I live in the United States, and the software development company is located in the United States. Our colleagues are located in Europe, mainly in Ukraine, but some, like Alex, for example, he's located in Central Europe, in Czech Republic. Association is registered in Switzerland, and Richard Wang, who is located in China, is the chairman of association. So the governance of the network and all the coin distribution and basically listings, launchpads, and all these questions which are being asked, those are not the question for us as a developers. Those are questions to association, which we should be doing that. So
okay, that's great. My channel is mostly generated from Europe and mostly United States, exactly, and the UK. You understand? But it's still an upcoming channel. You understand? Because we made up this channel, like it's having about 3K members. You understand? We don't put any bots. You know, most channel in the space, you might see most of them 10,000, 13,000, and most might not be real. Most might be real. You understand? But this, if you should have like AMA section with me, I will not be the one to tell you. The results will surely gonna speak. You understand? Because my last AMA I have with the TNT, that's the Millionaire tokens. It's a text AMA. It's really a nice one. You understand? So I can show you the remarks of the chats when he chatted me. Like it was like an amazing AMA. You understand? So we are just here to help projects. You understand? That's why we are here. That's why we called it the Infinity Call. You understand? We united. Yeah, that's it. So that's it. I would really be happy for you guys to come over. Like I can see the t-shirts of your project is really amazing. You understand? It's really amazing. I can see that the waterfall, like it's really amazing. Like most projects don't bring out all this. You understand? Most projects just only on Telegram, but you guys have the t-shirt and all that. So my team and my investors really gonna like participate in all this. You understand? So it's really gonna be a great one. Don't miss it out, brother. Make sure it's on. You understand? Let's chat on the DM section. You understand? So we can make this blow out. It's gonna be a really incredible stuff, and I'll really try my best to make this come out in a very bigger way. You understand? I can see your project is legit. Having a t-shirt and all that is really going to be incredible project. You understand?
Yeah, sounds great. We look forward to exploring this.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we can conclude it here. We definitely appreciate the attention. I don't see other questions being asked. So feel free to review the video and ask any follow-up questions, and we're happy to address them. And we also will ask our colleagues to actually to point out to the AMAs where the questions was answered and where that previously asked, and where you can find more information. Thank you so much for being with us, and yeah, we'll look forward to seeing you in 2 weeks.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.